Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify big data solutions with AWS, full guide step by step clearly. To verify big data solutions with AWS, begin by defining your data requirements. Identify the types of data you'll be working with. Determine the volume, velocity, and variety of the data needed for your analysis. Choose the appropriate AWS services that align with your requirements. Amazon S3 is a widely used storage solution for big data. Next, set up your Amazon S3 buckets to store your data securely. Use AWS Glue for data cataloging and transformation. With AWS Glue, create crawlers to populate your data catalog automatically. Now, move on to setting up Amazon EMR for processing large datasets. Launch an EMR cluster and select the necessary applications like Hadoop and Spark. Configure the cluster's instance types and number of instances based on your workload. After the cluster is up, upload your code or scripts for processing. Utilize Amazon Athena for querying data stored in Amazon S3. With Athena, write SQL queries to analyze your datasets without server management. To visualize your data, integrate AWS QuickSight into your workflow. Set up data sources in QuickSight and create insightful dashboards. Monitor the performance of your solutions through AWS CloudWatch. CloudWatch provides metrics that help in understanding resource utilization. Review your costs using AWS Cost Explorer to ensure your big data solutions are cost-effective. Test the scalability of your setup by simulating increased data loads. Optimize your data pipeline based on the insights gained from testing. Finally, document your process and findings for future reference. This comprehensive approach will help you verify big data solutions effectively with AWS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.